So there we go. This will be our wall. I'm not gonna put it all the way down until Keegan's got a little bit of paper to do right through here yet. So I've just got it set up, but I've got it nice and tight along the ceiling. We shouldn't lose any dust over that. And once it's down, I extended it past this wall a little bit right here. And I did that. If we went right up to the wall, then we have to tape it a whole bunch and make sure that it's really tight. But right here, we shouldn't have any dust get behind here and escape once we pull it tight. We still might use a little bit of tape. Same with over here. I went past this wall. And so I'll show you what I do here is with the plastic. So we have 9-foot ceiling. So I grabbed the 12-foot plastic so that I had plenty of room here. And then we can lift this up a little bit, tuck the plastic. There we go. So we use the pole here to hold the plastic down. And I'm still going to use a little bit of tape to make sure everything's taped up good right over here.